Burger season is here, and today we're giving it a Caribbean twist with Grace chicken burgers, juicy, fresh, and full of island flavor. Start with ground chicken, seasoned with Grace all-purpose seasoning. Add red onion and colorful peppers, mix it all together, and finish with a little salt and black pepper. Meanwhile, prepare a tropical slaw. Fresh lettuce, pineapple or apple, red and yellow chili, and a splash of Grace coconut milk. Add lime juice, mayo, salt, and pepper, and mix until creamy and vibrant. Shape the patties and cook until golden and juicy. Now, time to build. Toasted bun, crisp lettuce, fresh tomato, our juicy chicken patty. Grace tomato ketchup, and top it off with that tropical slaw. Finish with Grace plantain chips instead of fries. The perfect island-style side. Grace chicken burgers, because burger season tastes better with a Caribbean touch.